Did you know atoms are the basic building blocks of all matter?
Atoms make up everyday objects, like this book, like this globe,
Like this plant.
Even you are made of atoms. There are 90 types of atoms found in nature, such as oxygen and carbon. Scientists have made 25 more, such as Einsteinium, which is named after Albert Einstein. These are the parts of an atom. In the center is the nucleus. It is made of protons and neutrons. Circling the nucleus are the electrons. Did you know that 1 million atoms can fit on the head of a pin?
Did you know that there is a giant magnet inside of Earth? The Earth's inner core is made of molten iron.
Magnetosphere is the first field that protects a planet from solar radiation.
This is a view from space of the Earth's magnetosphere. When there is no flow of electricity, all compasses face north.
When there's a flow of electricity, compasses go crazy.
Magnets can connect to metal. Magnets can be used for navigation.
Magnets can be used to hold things.
Every magnet has the south pole and the north pole. Electrons move or hop from atom to atom. This creates a flow of electrical charge. This flow is called a current. Electricity is a source of energy that generates light or powers machines. Electricity also powers TVs, phones, computers, lamps, drills, and chainsaws. Electricity comes from power stations. It takes the movement of about 6 billion electrons every second to light a light bulb. In Oregon, most of our electricity is generated by hydroelectric power. Hydroelectric power uses the force of falling water to turn massive turbines that generate electricity.
In Oregon, we use wind turbines and also use solar panels. Scientists are also testing wave powers.
The most common form of generating electricity in the United States is by using coal-fired power plants.
This form of generating electricity puts a lot of pollution in our atmosphere.
If we want less pollution, we need to find alternatives to coal-fired power plants.
An electromagnet is a magnet that is created when electricity flows through a conductor. Hi, today we're going to teach you how to make an electromagnet. You need alligator clips, batteries,
A knife switch and a wire wrapped around a steel bolt.
Next, we're going to grab the knife switch and connect them. After you put your 2 wires on your knife switch, you're going to grab them and put them on
The wires wrapped around the steel bolt.
and you're going to clip them on.
Now we completed the electromagnet. Let's see how it works. So, take the knife switch and put it up. Try to put the paper clip on.
Nothing happens.
But if you close it,
An electric current passes through a wire. It creates a magnetic field. This is called an electromagnet. Electricity flows. It is a magnet.
when the electricity stops, it is no longer a magnet. Conductors make a good path for electricity.
Conductors conduct electricity to make things light up. Insulators block the path for electricity. Conductors make electrons flow, and insulators block electrons from flowing.
You probably already know that everything is made up of little tiny things called atoms.
Atoms are small, you can even see them. A million fit on the head of a pin. Incredible, remember, they make up all matter.
Matter is a physical substance that occupies space and has mass.
Electrons hop, atom to atom, they make a current. Electrons flow.
Direct current may flow in a conductor, such as a wire.
Electricity is energy, use it every day for power. Electricity is energy, use it every day. It's all about atoms and electrons. 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 You get home, what do you turn on? Connect a circuit with a switch. Let the electrons flow. Let the electrons flow. Incredible energy powers your world. Light up, light up. Heat up, heat up. Move round and round. All around the electrons flow. We use them all the time. Plug in, electrons flow. It's all about atoms and electrons. 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 All around the electrons flow, we use them all the time. Plug in, electrons flow.
You probably already know that everything is made up of little tiny things called atoms. You might even know that each atom is made up of even smaller particles called protons, neutrons, and electrons.
We've entered the quantum realm. It doesn't correspond to normal human experience.
Science is cool. Go science!